So now let us look into data aggregation. Okay, so dplyr also provides us with an efficient way in which we can do data aggregation. So in the world of dplyr, data aggregation is referred to as data summary. So we make use of function called summarise. So this function, we use it to obtain numeric summaries in our data sets, right? So let us look into summarise in action. So it says summarise, right? So we say summarise, and then we pass in car data, and we say we want to find the mean, right? So we want to summarize this column. Let's say we want to summarize this column, right? And then we want to find the mean. So if you run this, you observe that we are getting the mean of that particular column that we have passed, right? But if, say for example, we want to summarize using any function that we like, including custom written functions, the only restriction is that those functions that we use, they must expect a vector as the input, and it must always return a single value. So in that case, we cannot therefore use functions such as range, because these functions return a vector of length 2, right? So however, with that being said, we can make as many summaries as we like in a single call to summarize. Say for example, we want the minimum value, and we want the median value like mpg, and then we want the maximum of this column, right? And let us run this. You observe that this is the output. Okay, so let's say you try to use range function, right, and say range, right? And if you try to run this, you observe that we are now getting something like, we are getting the minimum value of mpg, we are getting also the median value of mpg, but when this comes to range of mpg, here is that it's going to specify that range mpg, which now will return the minimum value, and it returns the maximum value, right? So this is how you can try to incorporate certain functions, right?